Welcome to the 10th installment of this video series designed to address some of the issues and questions that have arisen due to the impact of COVID-19. According to an order issued by the St. Louis County Department of Public Health, as of July 3rd, face coverings are required when outside of the home or in an enclosed place of public accommodation. That includes our school buildings, and in compliance with the order and in the interest of the health of our community, face coverings will be required for all people over the age of 9 entering any Rockwood School District building. Notification of this requirement is posted on exterior entrances at our schools and offices. For the past several months, we have been asking many of our staff members to work remotely to the extent possible. To appropriately prepare for the beginning of the upcoming school year, we are asking our 12-month employees to return to their offices and/or workplaces on Monday, July 20th. 11-month employees are asked to return July 22nd, and 10.5-month employees are asked to return July 29th. Again, per the St. Louis County order, all staff members will be asked to wear face coverings and practice social distancing in our workspaces and common areas. And we want you to know how much we appreciate the extraordinary efforts you have made to serve our students and community during our closure related to the coronavirus. If you have questions about returning to your workspace, please contact your supervisor. You may have heard reports earlier this week that school districts were releasing their reopening guidelines as of Tuesday. The guidelines released Tuesday were general guidelines for our return to school endorsed by the St. Louis County Department of Public Health. More specific guidelines and processes for reopening the Rockwood School District and other area school districts will be shared broadly on July 20th. Rockwood transition teams are creating a plan that is realistic, balanced, and sustainable, given the feedback of stakeholders and the general guidelines released on Tuesday. Please continue to enjoy the remaining days of summer. Until next time, be safe and be healthy. Thank you.